Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have been missing from a good long time. It's been like 1.5 weeks since I have not uploaded any video. The reason is I was traveling, I was with my family, I was spending time with my family and friends, and I literally didn't feel like shooting any videos or just working out on my channel, because this is the time in once in a year or twice in a year I get with my family, and I just wanted to spend most of the time with my near and dear ones. So yeah, that was the reason I was missing, and I'm really sorry if you guys missed my videos. But yeah, I'm back now, and today I'm gonna shoot one of my videos, and I want to talk about one of the products which I recently picked up from Sephora. So what happened is, when I was in Delhi, I had to visit Mall of India because I heard some really good things about that mall. That's like, it's huge, and it has all the possible stores which are there in India. So I happened to visit one of my friend there in Mall of India, and I literally didn't have much time to pick up a lot of stuff. But when I was waiting for my friend, that time I saw Sephora in front of me. So I just went ahead and bought a couple of things, and today I want to review one of the things which I picked up. So I picked up this product, and this is their Sephora Mineral Foundation Compact. So why I bought is because I did not plan to buy any of the foundation, but it was so humid, and to be honest, I did not have a courage to apply even a single layer of makeup. Delhi was so humid. I cannot even tell how bad it was. And especially when I was going from Bangalore, because Bangalore weather is super amazing these days. So I did not apply any makeup, but I was sweating like a pig. And the sales girl, she asked me why the hell I'm sweating so much. Yeah, I was like, I have no idea, but the weather is so pathetic right now. So I actually thought of buying something as a compact with a very good coverage, so that I don't have to apply any of the foundation during this kind of weather, when I'm stepping out, when I want to look presentable. But I did not, but the time when I just cannot even think of applying liquid foundation. So she showed me this thing, and since it's mineral based, so it's really good for the people who have some skin issues and who have really oily skin. So mineral products are something which can help you in that kind of skin issue situation. And also it has a really good coverage. To be honest, I have started using this one on the days when I feel like applying foundation, but most of the time I don't feel like, to be honest. But yeah, when I feel like, this is the product I'm reaching these days. And this is the color beige which I got. So people who are of the same skin tone like I am, from the fair to the medium, they can go for this color. It's really good. And let me just talk about this product now. So that is how the pan looks like, and it comes with a sponge like this. Yes, it is dirty because I have been using it. So like this, and it has a compact also, sorry, not the compact, it has a mirror also, which is big enough to do your touch-ups in between. So you can always keep it in your bag. It is really travel friendly, and you can just keep it in your bag and do touch-ups in between. You can take it along with you in office, and you can do touch-ups in between before your meeting or something, when you really feel like that you should be looking really presentable. So this is the product. It's really good, and it has a really good coverage. So what you can do is, you can just moisturize your face nicely, apply some concealer first, because this is a powder based product. So you should apply your liquid products first, and then after concealing all your dark circles and your acne spots or something, then you just start dabbing it on your face, and it gives a really good coverage. So let me show you a swatch of it. So this is like this, and this is the color, and it's really nice and so blendable, very smooth, and it's really good. So if you are looking for some nice good coverage compact, and you are somebody with a you know, oily skin, or somebody with the, you know, the oily, your T-zones and all are really oily and you feel like doing some retouch-ups in between. So this is the product you can try for, and this is rupees, how much is this one for? My god, how much is this one for? Yeah, this is for rupees 14.50. Yeah, a little bit on a pricey side because Sephora products are actually pricey all the time, so you cannot even, you know, you can't complain because that is how the pricing is, you know, it's been set. So yeah, this is for 14.50, but something, the quantity wise it's quite good, and it comes with its own sponge, so you don't need any kind of, you know, brush, and it comes with a mirror also. So all in all, it's a good pick. You can carry along with you when you are traveling, when you're going to office, going for shopping, want to do some retouch-ups when it's like summery, humid out there. So this is the product you can try for. And also, if you are somebody who is not very fond of liquid foundation but somebody who wants a decent coverage on a daily basis, this is the product for you. So far I'm quite happy with this product. I have used it for about 10-15 days now, not on a regular basis, but yeah, on some alternative days basis or something, when I'm just stepping out of the house and feel like that I should have some coverage on my face, this is the product I'm reaching for, and it has not disappointed me till now. So yeah, that was my review for the Sephora Mineral Compact. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to keep this video really quick and short, but something really something informative and useful for you. So yeah, let me know guys how you like this video, and also let me know if you guys missed me or not, and keep coming back because I'll be shooting a lot of videos now and I'll try not to be missing any more. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and bye bye.